Yes, good evening. I'm called Chrisphine Omolo. I'm going to take you through General Building Construction 11, the topic about roof designs. So today we are really going to know more about this topic called roof designs. So in the first instance, we want to see some objectives here. And our objectives in this place So our objectives of today, first of all, by the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to define a roof, what a roof is, state the functional requirements of a roof, describe different types of roofs, and finally, list various elements of a roof. So after knowing the things that the learner should be supposed to know from this topic, we must define what a roof really is. Roof is the external covering at the top of a building. In any structure, you cannot have a house without its covering. So the next thing is functional requirements of the roof. And the first one is stability, support dead load without undue deflection or distortion. Another one is strength. It depends on the characteristics of material to sustain the loading. Then durability, it must be durable enough. It depends largely on the ability of the roof covering material to exclude rain. Our roof must be so strong to avoid the external forces that will affect our building. Then fire resistant. It must be fireproof to allow our house to be strong enough that it cannot be affected by fire. So its explanation, the roof covering and the material should have adequate resistance to dew fire and against spread of flame. Then another one is thermal properties. A good roof should provide a good thermal insulation properties. For a very good roof, for you to have a very good house, our roof must be in such a way that the house that you are living in, it should be cool, not too much hot, such that you cannot have peace in that house. So that is the reason as to why it should bear some good thermal properties. Another type, now we are going to check another objectives, which is types of roofs. So we always have very many different types of roofs. One of them is pitch roof. Another, let me just go through them first, then I'm going to explain. Another one is flat roof. Then the other is lean-to roof. Another is a gable roof, hip roof, a monopitched roof, and a mansard or a Dutch roof. So these types of roofs, they are always being recognized by their shape, their inclinations. There are some which are slopy. Then we check at which degree or at what degree are they sloping. That is where you can recognize those types of roofs. So the first one is pitch roof. A pitch roof has one or more roof slopes at a pitch or slope of more than 10 to horizontal. So the degree of its slopiness is 10 degrees. So that one is what we call the pitch roof. Then the other one is flat roof. So this is any roof which has a slope less than 10 degrees. So that is the difference between pitch roof and flat roof. Then another one here is called lean to roof. So lean to roof, this roof is similar to a flat roof except the slope of the roof exceeds 10. So lean to roof, its slope exceeds 10. Then gable roof. A gable is a straight wall with a triangular upper part which supports the roof. So you will find in gables one part is high and the other one is low. So the degree of inclination defeats 10. Then hip roof. This is a roof where the slope of the roof is returned around one or both ends. Another one is mono-pitched roof. This is a roof which has one sloping surface and does not abut against another wall or building. So in many cases you have seen most of those roofs because it is not supported in either surfaces. So after recognizing all those types, now we come to the roof types. In this place now you can check and see the different types of roofs that we were talking about. Here the first one is lean to roof, flat roof, how it is, mansard, lean to roof, gable roof, how it was sloping on both ends. Then the last one is hipped roof. Thank you so much for your time and have a blessed